Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we uncover the secrets of effective project management. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of project management, covering everything from its origin and methodologies to essential tools and certifications. Whether you are a skilled project manager or just starting your journey, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and skills to excel in project execution. Now, if you love watching videos like these, then subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and click the bell button to never miss out any updates from us. Also, if you are interested to know more about project management or wish to enroll yourself for project management courses and training, then please see the link in the description below. Before we start our session, let's have a quick glance on today's agenda. Today, we'll start with understanding what is project management. Once we understand that, we'll go back into the history and see how project management was evolved. After which, we will see what is project life cycle. We will then see some of the top 10 project management tools, followed by project management demo. Now, once we are done with the demo, we will then see the project manager roles and responsibilities. At last, we will end our session with project management certification. So stick till the end. Now let's start with our session with understanding what is project management. Now, if you go by the definition, project management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling the resources and activities needed to reach particular project goals within limits like scope, time, cost, and quality. It basically involves establishing goals, determining needs, creating a strategy, assigning resources, managing risks, coordinating the team members, tracking progress, and completing the project. At last, the main goal of the project manager is to meet the needs of stakeholders and produce value while meeting the project goals. Now that we have understood what project management is, now let's go back into the history and see how the term was evolved. Well, project management in its modern form began to take its root only few decades ago. If we talk about the early years, project management has been practiced for centuries, but it wasn't until the early 1900s that it began to be formalized as a discipline. These techniques allowed project managers to better understand the risks and complexities of project, and they are still widely used today. As you can see in this timeline, project management was first recognized in 1917 by Henry Gantt, who developed the Gantt chart. After that, in 1919, Henry Fayol published Administration Industrial Aid General, which introduced the five functions of management. Later, in 1950, the US Department of Defense developed the first project management standards. After which, in 1957, the critical path method was developed. And soon after that, the program evaluation and reward technique was also developed. Later in 1965, the International Project Management Association was founded. In 1980s, the first project management software application was developed. And in 1990s, the Agile Manifesto was published, which introduced a new approach to project management. At last, by the year 2000, project management became a global discipline with the project managers working on projects in all parts of the world. Thus, project management is constantly evolving discipline and new techniques and tools are being developed all the time. As the world becomes more complex, the need for effective project management will only increase. So this was a quick history on project management. Now let's understand the project life cycle. Now, every project goes through a series of phases. That's why we will delve into the project life cycle and examine the key stages and their purpose and activities, which will help you set up for success in managing projects effectively. The first phase is initiation. This phase is where the project is first defined. The project manager will define the project goals, scopes, and deliverables. They will also identify the project stakeholders and get their buy in. Next comes is planning. This phase is where the project manager creates a detailed plan for how the project will be executed. The plan will include the project schedules, budgets, and resources. After that comes the execution part. This phase is where the project is actually implemented, and the project manager will oversee the work of the project team and ensure that the project stays on the track. After execution is done, The next phase comes the monitoring and control. This phase is where the project manager tracks the project's progress and makes sure that it is meeting its goal. They will also identify any risks and issues that may impact the project and take steps to mitigate them. Lastly comes the closure. This phase is where the project is officially completed, and the project manager will then gather final reports and documentation and then will close out the project with the stakeholders. The project management is flexible framework and the specific steps and activities involved in each phase may vary depending on the project. However, these five phases provide a general overview of the project management process. Now, let us know some of the benefits of using the project management lifecycle. Well, it helps to ensure that the projects are completed on time, within the budget, and to the required quality standards. It also helps to identify and manage risks and issues. The project management lifecycle helps to communicate with stakeholders and keep them updated on the project's progress. It also improves the efficiency and effectiveness of the project management. So, if you are involved in a project, then it is important to understand the project management life cycle. This will help you understand the different phases of the project and activities involved in each phases and help you ensure that the project is completed successfully. Now let us also see the top 10 project management tools. The first one is Asana. The first popular project management tool is Asana. It is known for its ease of use and its ability to help teams collaborate effectively. Asana offers a variety of features such as task management, project planning, communication tools, customizable views, integration with other tools, and mobile app. Next comes the Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses Kanban boards to help teams track their progress. It is easy to use and can be customized to fit the needs of any team. Some of the key features in Trello are the Kanban boards, task management, communication tools, customizable cards, integration with other tools. The next tool is Rick. Rick is a powerful project management tool that offers a wide range of features such as task management, project planning, collaboration tools, Gantt charts, reports, and also provide integration with other tools. Rick is a good choice for teams that need a lot of flexibility and control over their projects. Next comes the Jira, which is a popular project management tool for software development teams. It also includes agile development tools, customizable workflows, reports, and integration with other tools. Next comes the Monday.com. It is a cloud-based project management tool that offers variety of features which includes Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and project management templates. Apart from that, they also provide customizable views. Well, it is a good choice for the teams that need a flexible and a visual appealing project management tool. Next we have is ClickUp, which is a popular project management tool that offers wide range of features such as task management, project planning, collaboration tools, Gantt charts, reports, etc. It is good choice for the teams that need a lot of flexibility and control over their projects. Teamwork is also a project management tool which is very much similar to Asana. It provides variety of features such as task management, project planning, communication tools, Gantt charts, reports. It is known for its ease of use and its ability to help team members collaborate effectively. Next, we have Zoho Projects, which is a project management tool that offers variety of features including task management, project planning, and communication tools. Zoho Projects is a good choice for teams that cost-effective project management tool. Last but not the least is the Proof Hub, which is a project management tool that offers a variety of features that includes task management, project planning, and communication tools. It is a good choice for team that needs a project management tool that is easy to use and very much affordable. And lastly, we have Mr. Task, which is a project management tool that uses Kanban boards to help teams track their progress. It is also easy to use and can be customized to fit in the needs of any team. It includes features like task management, communication tool, customizable views, and integration with other tools. Well, these are just a few of the many project management tools that are available. The best tool for you will be dependent on your specific needs and requirement. Now, before choosing a project management tool, you must consider some of the factors such as the size and the complexity of your projects. So, some tools are better suited for small projects while others are better suited for large projects and complex projects. Next is the features that you need. So, make the list of these features so that it is easier for you to choose which project management tool have all the important features that are required by you. Next is your budget. So the project management tools range in price from free to hundred of dollars per month. So based on your budget, choose the correct project management tool which will help you in your projects effectively. Next is what your team needs. Make sure whatever tool you're choosing is easy to use and meets the needs of your team. So these are the some factors that you should consider before choosing a project management tool. Now it's time for a hands-on demonstration. Here, we will walk you through a practical demonstration of using a project management tool. So today we will be working with the Asana tool to create a project over there. So now let's quickly go to our website. We'll type Asana. So as you can see, this is the website where you can just directly click onto it. Now once you get into the page, the first thing is to sign up. So here you just click on get started. As you can see, my account has already been created over here. So once you come into the main page of Asana, you just need to click here as get started. So for 30 days, you have the free access to this Asana project management tool. Now here to sign up, you need to provide your company email ID. Here I will be providing my company email ID. Now once you click on sign up, so once you click on sign up, they ask you for your verification of your account. So once you sign up, you get a verification email from the Asana and you can verify from there, or else you can just continue and log in from Google. So here I'll just log in from my Google account. So once you have logged in to the tool, you are landed to a main dashboard of the Asana. So this is how the dashboard of this tool looks like. Here you can see there are different options like my task and you also get notifications. So in this tool, I had already created a demo project in which I had listed down my tasks and some team members who are working on this particular project. Now let's do it from scratch. First thing, you need to go to your home page and here you get an option for create project. So once you click over here, you have three options. Either you can use a blank project or you can use a template. So as you can see here, there are different templates provided to you. You can choose any of your templates and you can use this. Apart from that, you have also other options like you can also import spreadsheet. So if in case you have your spreadsheets in your system, you can just upload them into this tool and then it will automatically create your project. So here I will just take a blank project. Now here you need to provide your project name and you can give your project whatever projects you are working on, you can provide that, and then you need to select your team members. So there will be different options provided to you. In my case, I had created one team, so that is shown over here. Apart from that, you can also customize your privacy of this particular team. If you want to like change the privacy of your project, it will be only among the team members. You can also make it public to the team, in which whosoever gets the access to this particular project can get the view of this particular dashboard. You can also then choose your view. You can see it in the form of list, boards, timelines, or even calendars. So once you fill up these details, you just click on continue. So here I won't create a new project. I will instead go back to my demo project what I had created first. So here, as you can see in the overview, I can provide a project description about my project. For example, we can give any project description, whatever project you are working on. So I'll just fill up a small description on this saying this project is about the demonstration of a security system. So this can be your small description about the project, whatever you're working on. Then you can add your members into it. So here you specify the project role, whosoever is working on this particular project. Here you have connected goals. So the connected goals is nothing but you create a goal for each and every phase in this project. So you can add over here whatever goals you have. For example, my in this particular project, I just need to check the risk factors are less. So this is my goal for this particular project. You can also add based on your requirements and needs. Apart from that, you have different options like list. Here you get to know your to-do list where your whatever project task, whatever you have defined for the project is shown, and particular assignees are mentioned over here. So here you can add your task, for example, risk management, and then you can add some more tasks like quality test. Now here you can assign these particular tasks. For example, I have my team members, I will be adding one of them into it. And here you can also see your due dates. You can also change the due dates based on your requirements when these particular tasks should be completed. And you can also change the priorities based on your requirements. You can either make it low, medium, high. And apart from that, you also track down the status of each and every task. And here, one more benefit is like you can drag and drop each task wherever it has to be placed in. For example, if I've completed my first task, then I can directly drag and drop to this particular section where it is done. Or if my team members are still working on this particular task, then I can just drag and drop and put it in doing. So, this is how you manage your project and keep a track of it. Apart from that, you can also add actions to it. For example, if you want to add some actions like quality analysis or risk management or monitoring, these are the different actions that you can add up in this board. Apart from that, you have also different options like timeline, calendar, and workflows. So, this is how a project management tool works here, where you can easily manage your task and track down each and every task within the given time. And you can deliver your projects within the time with standard quality, which is required by the clients or the stakeholders. Well, this was just one tool, whereas there are different project management tools based on the requirement of the projects, whether it is a large scale project, small scale project, or an industry based project. So, depending upon the size of the project and the budget of that particular organization or the team, you can select your project management tools. Now, let's move ahead with our next topic, that is project manager roles and responsibilities. So, there are some key roles and responsibilities that are typically associated for the role as a project manager. So, first is the planning. Here, the project managers create a plan for the project, deciding what needs to be done and when it should be done and who will do that. Next is team management. Here, the project manager assembles a team of people and makes sure everyone knows what they should be doing. They encourage teamwork and cooperation. Next is risk management. Here, the project manager think ahead and identify any potential problems or risks that could come up during the project. They try to find out ways to prevent and handle these problems if they happen. Project managers also need to have an effective communication where they need to talk to everyone who are involved in the project, like the people doing the work, the bosses, and the client. They make sure that everyone knows about what's happening and is on the same page. Next is budgeting and resources. Project managers make sure there is enough money and resources for the project. They keep track of how the money is being spent and make sure everything stays on the budget. Next is tracking progress. Project managers keep an eye on how the project is going on and make sure it is on track. They check if the project is meeting its goals and deadlines. If not, they figure out how to get things back on track. Project managers also make sure that the work being done meets the standards as well as the expectations. They check for any mistakes or problems and make sure that they are fixed. Lastly, is the wrapping up of the project. Once the project is done, the project manager makes sure all the loose ends are tied up. They evaluate how well the project went and see what could be done better next time. Therefore, a project manager is like a leader who plans, organizes, and guides the project to successful completion, making sure everyone is working together and everything runs smoothly. Here, we will be discussing the top 10 project management certifications that are popular in 2023. The first is Project Management Professional, that is PMP. It is the most popular project management certification in the world. It is offered by the Project Management Institute. The PMP certification is a globally recognized credential that validates your project management skills and knowledge. Next comes the Certified Associate in Project Management, which is a less demanding certification than PMP. It is also offered by PMI. Well, the CAPM certification is a good way to demonstrate your basic project management knowledge and skill. Next, we have Certified Scrum Master, which is a certification for those who want to learn more about Scrum framework. It is offered by Scrum Alliance. This certification is a good way to demonstrate your understanding of Scrum and Agile project management principles. Now that we have talked about Agile project management, our next certification is Agile Certified Practitioner, which is a certification for those who want to learn more about Agile project management. It is offered by PMI, and this certification is a good way to demonstrate your understanding of Agile project management principles and practices. After that comes the Program Management Professional, which is a certification for those who want to specialize in project management. This certification is also offered by PMI. The PGMP certification is a good way to demonstrate your ability to manage complex projects and programs. Next, we have Certified Project Manager certification. This certification is offered by the International Project Management Association. The CPM certification is a good way to demonstrate your project management skills and knowledge in accordance with the IPMA standards. Then we have the Master Project Manager certification. This certification is offered by American Academy of Project Management. The MPM certification is a good way to demonstrate your mastery of project management principles and practices. After which we have PMI Risk Management Professional. This certification is also offered by PMI. The PMI RMP certification is a good way to demonstrate your knowledge of risk management principles and practices. Last but not the least, we have PMI Scheduling Professional, which is a certification offered by PMI. This certification is a good way to demonstrate your knowledge of scheduling principles and practices. And lastly, we have PMI Portfolio Management Professional Certification, which is a good way to demonstrate your knowledge of portfolio management principles and practices. Well, these are just a few of many project management certifications that are available. Now, choosing of the best certification is only dependent on your career goals and the specific skills that you want to develop. And that's it. We have reached the end of our comprehensive project management tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!